How to bridge funds from Arbitrum to Sonic. Open a new tab of your browser and then go to stargate.finance/bridge, which will take you to the Stargate website. Now, first thing you want to do is connect your wallet. I am going with Raby because that's the wallet I have. And what we are going to do next is select the token we want to bridge. In my case, I use USDC. We are going to change the target form base to Sonic. You can just type it in, and that the target network is indeed Sonic. And then you will see USDC on Arbitrum will become USDCE on Sonic. Now just select the amount of USDC you want to swap. I'll go for 500 in this case. Then you can either choose the economic route, which will take approximately 6 minutes, or the fast route, which is the one I am going to take. And then you will indeed see this is the USDC I'll get. You click transfer. Then you need to, of course, approve this in your wallet. What I'll do is I'll just change this to 500. And once you've approved this, confirm, and then you will get the actual transfer right there. So it's going to take 500 USDC and a little bit of Ethereum for gas fee. Just confirm it again. And there you have it. 500 USDC from Arbitrum was indeed bridged to Sonic.